I had a guy stop short just now, and I don't understand it. I think they get a reaction of going up to a car or bike and then like stopping really close. And the guy kind of saw me looking back, and I looked at him, and he's like, what? So it seems like, I don't know, I just get the feeling that I've had that happen quite a few times. You know, often I'm like looking behind to see if the car stopped, but I think they want that. They like that reaction of like playing chicken. I think that's their little intimidation game they like playing. One of the things I like about scooters is that they're so cute that I can do things like this. I'm gonna go here and pee, and I can just pull up right next to it. I don't have to do anything fancy. That is one of the beauties of scooters, man. How do women get so fat? Think about it. People in this country have a weird problem that, oh, actually in this century, we have a weird problem that we're getting too fat. And in previous eras and epochs, we had a problem dying from starvation. Yeah, this guy's giving me space. See that? That's cool. Thanks, buddy. That is the Revell scooter, and the guy's just, look at that, no helmet. The guy that died a while ago was on one of those Revell's electric scooters. These are shops over here, so everything is boarded up over here. There's a lot of so this is Constitution Avenue, this is Pennsylvania, and I believe this is Pennsylvania. Yeah, Constitution is up ahead. Constitution would be where they have, that pickup truck is a douche. Oh, this is Swings. I had a friend that worked at Swings Coffee Roasters, and it's a good place. They always give out burlap bags, so this is like full of tourists, but they're still tourists. If you look around, there's lots of people still in the mall, but it used to be absolutely packed, you know. And if it's a nice day, everybody's out here in the National Mall. Always events. Even this little bike can get on the HOV. And I don't recommend going on the highway, but this is really not the highway. The HOV, this kind of separates me from the people over there. See, this is the HOV lane. Alright, let's go in here. We're almost there. This is an interesting area. Like, it's very confusing to me, Virginia. And one thing I don't like about Virginia is that they spit you out onto highways and off-ramps without any entryway. You see that? If I want to get to the left here, there's a car there, but I'm like limited. It's like the people in Virginia did the worst in designing their highways. Everything about it is confusing, and everything's dirty about Virginia, like the highways. Well guys, we have arrived at our destinations. Alright guys, I'll see you in a bit. Just leaving work here on random person walking in the middle of the road, and we are gonna head out. This is the worst part. It's more dangerous. Friday night here in the DC metro area, the land of the Alkies. Some high beams. Look at that. Low beams, high beams. The lights on this are actually better than my Super Tenere. That's right. The high beams and the low beams are better than my Tenere. This is incredible. It shouldn't be that a scooter's high beams are better than a big, expensive motorcycle like the Tenere. We're in Northern Virginia. So Northern Virginia is even more populated than Washington, D.C., if you can believe it. But people here tend to be a little bit more conservative with their money. Crystal City, HQ2 of Amazon. You know, at night here, you just never know. It could be riots, could be something. You know, DC is all boarded up still, guys, so I'm actually going to go right through the middle of DC. In hindsight, I think it was a bad idea coming through DC because, you know, there are people that like to ride at night, and it's usually like the poser type of riders. They usually come here and they ride. They go to bars and stuff, and it's always a bad idea going to bars. So this is the National Mall at night. This is what DC looks like at night. I think we're gonna go right by the White House too. What the hell? Oh, this is that stupid BLM thing. They closed the street. They closed the street for BLM. Now I'm gonna have to go out of my way. They actually wrote Black Lives Matter on the pavement over there, and they're having like little stupid protests. Yeah, there's a whole array of people that like to ride at night. Look at these steel plates. Not a good idea. Ugh. Especially on a little tiny wheel scooter. The things that just happened, I almost hit a car that was coming out of... Yeah, you better stay there. Maybe you shouldn't ride on the middle of the road. I almost got hit by a car. A car just pulled off the driveway, and then shortly thereafter, a car in front of me, a Mini Cooper, decided to make a U-turn. A U-turn and then a right turn right in front of me. We're in Four Corners, Maryland. Right, Squids, thanks for riding with me. Tomorrow, I'm probably going to be working on my Honda Ascot. I hope to install that carburetor, and fingers crossed, it'll at least start. If it starts, it moves, and it's got to shift well, I think that'll be nice. I think I really like that idea. If the motor's screwed up, then I don't know, I'll probably just sell it for parts or sell it. I just don't want to go through the engine problem. I don't know. I think it might have been too much of a bike for me. I'm not that good. I'm not a good mechanic, so. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Stay warm out there. Alright, see ya. Kind of stuck here. The cops won't bother me.